Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Online Business Entrepreneur.
Today we're gonna see how to make money by just playing games. Simple money guys and
Stay tuned for more.
okay guys, what do you expect from this video? This video is all about how to make money by just playing games. And this is PayPal money guys, and this is legitimate way to make money, and it's available worldwide no matter where are you from and where are you been. Before we dive into this video, I like to describe my channel.
If you're new here, this is Online Business Entrepreneur YouTube channel to help people to create their own business and make money online. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and like and share and comment below your thought.
Okay guys, before we dive into this video, because this website is probably a new one, I seriously find you for you guys. Okay, I show the website name in between this video. Stay tuned for this guys. Don't skip around this video because this is seriously important thing guys. Don't skip this because I show you the website name in between the video anywhere it else. Okay guys, this website is make games that players love guys. This website all about making money while you playing. This company is partnered with a big name in the gaming industry guys. Roga, Wargaming Mobile, Ubisoft, Social Point, Rogu, something stuff like that. And it is how it's work. Set up your playlist account guys, and we let to target audience test your game guys. This page is for the company guys. This is the company page because the companies pay you to playing their games guys, because company want to test the games if there are any bugs or any stuck in the game, something stuff like that. If you play this you can get paid. If you want get paid, go the right over this corner, click the become a tester guys. It will automatically take you to the sign up page for you get paid. This is the sign up page look like guys. First they will send you game to your email guys. First of all they will send you game to your email, and you think out loud speak while you play guys. This is the most important thing. You speak loud guys, like a commentary, because you people are watching YouTube, Twitch, or playing games somewhere else. You think and loud out your speak guys. This is the main important point guys, because the people are wasting lots of time while playing. This website offer you to get paid for your playing games guys. It's easy money. First step you need to do, first to put your email address. This is the verify email address guys. Don't put any something illegal email address stuff like that. Put your original email address, because they will send you games to your email address guys. You will check every minutes or every day guys, because every day you get new games to test guys and make lots of money with this. Sounds good here? And next one, put your full name guys, and you must be 18 plus, because the game companies allows you test a game 18 plus guys. That's a must. And which game do you like to play at least a week? Just to put a Clash of Clans, Call of Duty, PUBG, Fortnite, anything if you want you can put, but I highly recommend put at least 2-3 games guys, because the company need a targeted audience to targeted testing games guys. This is easy guys, just to put your favorite name. And next one, the gaming devices. If you have iOS devices like iPhones, put what you had. And next, Android device guys, which company you have, like Samsung, Google, something like that. And next, other Apple Watch, Windows Phone, PC, Xbox, something stuff like this guys. And this is which country do you live. This is most important thing guys. This support all over the world guys, no matter where are you from and no matter where you been. It support all worldwide guys, no matter where are you from, and it's allowed to make money guys. And next one, what's your gender? If you're female, click a female. If you're male, click a male. Otherwise, click the other guys. And what's your birth date? This is important guys. Put at least 1996 below guys, because that's 18 plus age. I don't be illegally to put your a year, because if you children are under 16 age, if you want to make money, just put it 1996 below guys, because that's 18 plus, and you also eligible to make money guys. And put your month whatever you want and date, that's original date. If you give and click I want to receive monthly newsletter, I agree this two term, and click the start testing games. They will send you confirm email and you confirm this email and you become a tester guys. And this is the frequently asked question guys. Just they will give you, do you only PayPal via guys? Yes, this is only allow PayPal guys, nothing else, not a bank transfer or something stuff like that, only PayPal money. At least you have a PayPal money. I hope everybody has a PayPal account, because it's available worldwide no matter where you're from. Some countries allow some countries not allow a PayPal account, but that's no matter. This video is not for you. Quit the video and go back to video. Okay guys, as I told you earlier, this website is called playtestcloud.com guys. If you go to playtestcloud.com and click become a tester guys, that's easy. This website is playtestcloud.com guys. I hope you will stay here at this point for seeing this what the website are and how to make money guys. If you stay here, stay until, because I want to grow my channel, and hit the subscribe button for me guys. Don't forget to share with your friends, and let's continue this video. This video is next questions. How can I increase my channel? Yes, you can increase your channel guys, like I would getting a playtest. It's best to keep your profile updated guys. I as told guys, keep your profile updated and make original content, everything except the date guys, except the date and month and year guys, because must be 18 plus. That's the one condition you need to know if you are child and are under 16 something stuff like that. And you can get email again, you can get paid easily guys, just playing games. And this is playing test job. No guys, it's playing test job. You can get reward $9 guys, just a 15 minutes video you play, just a 15 minutes guys. See, just a 15 minutes play test will you earn $9 reward guys. It's easy money guys. 15, you can 4 tests, it's a 1 hour, you can make $36 guys. 1 hour $36 just playing a game. It's easy guys. I think you are doing lots of gaming in your day guys. I hope everybody do, because I'm also do guys, but you get paid for this guys. Don't waste the time playing games. Don't be a playtest reviewer. Make a $36 per hour guys. It's easy money, just like everyone guys. Can I become playtest if I'm not from USA and UK? Yes, you can, because it's available worldwide guys. No matter where you're from, no matter where you've been, it's available worldwide guys. And this is the website I find you for you guys. This is playtestcloud.com guys. Go playtestcloud.com and click I become a tester and be a tester and make money. I hope this video helps you a lot to make money guys, because I put a lot of effort to find this website on YouTube or internet or anything anywhere, because I see you to make money guys. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video guys. Make money online. Peace.